We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 of Snow Joe 24V-X2-SB18 48V iON and Cordless Snow Blower Kit. And now Amazon Black Friday 2020 are started. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Snow Joe 24V-X2-SB18, 48V iON and Cordless Snow Blower Kit, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview, summary or highlight features. When it comes to snow, go with Joe. Meet the latest revolution in cordless snow clearing technology, 24V-X2-SB18 iON plus 48V 18-inch cordless snow blower from Snow Joe. Powered by Snow Joe exclusive iON plus 24V lithium-ion battery system, the two included 4.0 Ah batteries provide up to 40 minutes of rechargeable runtime. With zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Cut the cord with iON and cordless convenience to blast past the limits of an extension cord, and go anywhere power is at a premium. Equipped with a heavy-duty, rubber-tipped steel blade auger, Snow Joe clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200 watts brushless motor plows through up to 14 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears right to the ground, without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. Snow Joe adjustable chute control rotates 180 degree to throw snow up to 20 away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED headlight lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. When there's more work to be done, boost your battery power with even more iON and options online, or get equipped with a set of iON and batteries, to keep throwing when it just won't stop snowing. When winter strikes, fight back with 48 volts of snow shredding power. 24V-X2-SB18, 48V 18-inch cordless snow blower from Snow Joe. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.